to a day in our life. This is the show where you get a little bit of everything. This is another episode of the Wonder Bill Show. The Wonder Bill Show.
Like I'm holding the stick and running.
Can you say house? Come here! Come here! Ready? What's the quote from Dumb and Dumber? When he gets on the bed and goes,
I don't actually know. Yeah, I know what you're talking about, but I can't.
something. Figure that out. Ready? Jump, jump. Okay, so what are we doing today, family?
So many things. You're so cute.
I'm tired. Woo. Filming is tiring. All of the like back and forth. But what we're doing right now is we're going through the house and making a list of things that we need right now. So if by the chance that we're hoping we can stay here tonight, we're gonna need some stuff. Blinds on those two windows for sure. What else?
The neighbors are nosy. I don't know, watching this cute thing.
There are a couple things.
So yeah, blinds. I'm getting high temperature paint.
High temperature paint, because that's necessary for tonight. TV stand, because Matt said he wants to hook up the TV. And I also want some kind of just simple shelving for the pantry in here. Temporary shelving for food, so we're not setting food on the ground. The goal eventually, Matt is going to be building some kind of shelves. I'm sure we'll involve y'all in that process. But the temporary shelf will go into here to be used in the laundry room after we get the main one built. So there's going to be some temporary things we just want in here. We just want in this house. And Pablo will be working on it on and off as we're in here, which is fine. We want in. That's it. And he's already told you that, I mean, he's the one that said that we could probably stay here tonight, right?
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, I mean, but the plumber's supposed to be here this morning. I guess it's still the morning for another hour. And so, yeah, I mean, it all really depends on that guy. If we don't have water, we don't have a night here, so.
But we're gonna prepare. I mean, in the worst case scenario, if he doesn't come today, he'll be here tomorrow. But he will be here today. I'm gonna make that happen. I will go and find him and bring him here myself.
The stuff I pointed to last night, that has to be fixed.
Oh.
So I'm like, why don't we get a eraser?
Yeah.
So I might buy some magic eraser here, like that on those.
Looks like crap. Ready? Jump. house stuff aside, we're gonna work out, and then we're gonna go buy stuff.
The grass is hot.
Means you go faster.
I'm so tired. You do it.
Just gonna watch us eat.
Still a little lunch on the go. I paid way too much for this.
Absolutely. As soon as I saw you carrying that out, I was like,
But it's convenient, and I didn't want like
I guess
McDonald's
he
or
was not
Whataburger.
going to college or anything.
And this is good, like chicken, vegetables, hummus, and pita bread. Macros are great, much better for me than something like Whataburger, which is next door to Starbucks.
Even though that was an option.
And I needed food, so. There's something in my eye. So we're at Lowe's.
Here we are.
Because of time, we're only getting blinds right now, and then we're gonna take ourselves home. Put Eva down for a nap. Whenever she wakes up, we're gonna come back out and get everything else. We'll see.
Not everything, but a lot of it.
We'll see what we have time for. So that's the plan. But blinds right now.
I'm pretty sure we're not going to move in tonight, but we're going to prep it to be able to move in tomorrow. I think that's the plan.
I'm just along for the ride.
Just happy to be.
Mm-hmm. All right, let's go inside. Go. I don't think we're gonna get the fancy one. All right, where's the cheap ones? Here we go.
It's gonna.
You what?
What? I'm just going to get a towel and hammer it on the window. If you want to look outside, you just do this whole number, you know? Good Lord.
How many windows do we have? We got a lot of windows.
Whose idea was that?
Me! Now one of the questions, do we get white
No, wait. No.
or brown? I think that the white would look better. I don't know. Now a shelf for the pantry, which will eventually go into the laundry room.
Oh, look at here.
What Matt actually wants to do for the pantry is make this kind of stuff. So it's just the little bracket and then the shelf, and then that'll house food and things and looks really nice. So we're looking at that right now. But this isn't something you'll be doing now.
Is this thing I'm planning on doing?
Very soon.
Like, tomorrow. Tomorrow.
Yeah, that'll be the thumbnail. Tomorrow.
Always tomorrow.
2 weeks.
There you go. There's some of them.
For the first time in this whole process, we might be less than 2 weeks out. That's pretty cool. We might. I'm not guaranteeing. We might. I like the stance. Alright, we gotta get home. We gotta get home to Lumpy.
Leave me here. I hate blinds. I hate doing them. They're the worst. I always chip something at the top. I always put it too close, and I'm like, why would these holes not be here if I just... You're supposed to screw it all the way in, but apparently not. We got blinds. On one window. So I have one more to do. Time me. I should be able to knock it out pretty quick. But yeah, white blinds for a white room with a bunch of white light. I don't know. Yeah, just white. White. Brown and brown. So I guess that's our motif now. It's going to be pretty much everything white. We have quartz countertops that are white. Tile that's white. I guess that's the thing that's in right now. A lot of like dark and really light. But obviously this is just primer on the wall. We're going to paint it something else. We thought white is simple as far as blinds go. And then this is definitely a classic wood look. I don't know. I'm learning this stuff as I go. It's a lot of Pinterest and that's it. I'm not too creative. I just use Pinterest pretty much. So I don't know. If y'all have ideas for like motif and you know, when to stop using hand gestures, please put that in the comments. You know, put links or wherever. Yeah. So I'm really just putting this off. I really don't want to do the second set of blinds. By the way, that's only 2 blinds or 2 windows. This is very shaky. And then we still have the you know, the bigger ones for Eva's room. So yeah, those are pretty big. And we'll definitely have to have a kind of a center support, maybe even 2. I don't know. We'll see what they come with. They're pretty strong blinds. Super cheap. We went cheap on them, but made sure that they look good. So yeah, that's a lot of windows, especially this room. This room's a lot. Obviously not doing blinds up there, but I need to do blinds for this guy. We don't want people looking in the middle of the night. Mainly, you know, animals and such. So I don't know. I need to figure out what to use for this. I don't want to skimp on these, but we will see. I don't know. So yeah, those are in, just like those, but there is a small issue with these. So this piece right here, the little base piece, that actually gets stuck about here. So I guess the framers were off by a smidge in comparison to other windows. But what's nice about these is actually you can trim this down. The thing is, it's probably better if you do it before you install it. That thing's installed, so I'll work that out later.
What's up, guys? Welcome to today's video. Actually, I should say what's up, y'all. Guys, gals, y'all.
Y'all, we're from Texas.
Welcome to today's video. We are out and about today.
Couponing.
Matt has a coupon. We are buying things for the house. Because we might be moving in this weekend.
What?
Now, it's not done. This was, this was the plan all along, to move in as soon as we can, and then they can still finish whatever they need to. We've already talked with Pablo about it, and he said things should be move-in ready for tonight.
Yeah.
Starting tonight.
Yeah, the goal was by the 15th. Today is...
Which is the 15th.
The 15th. And so it was actually supposed to be finished yesterday. And sort of the day before that.
And the day before that.
Actually, probably the day before that as well. So
and the day before that.
Either way, it's the AC's almost done. Like, it's done except for a little drainage pipe. But the water and septic will be functional by this afternoon. All faucets will be put in. The shower doors can be put in. It's just a lot of the little details, like, you know,
The
caulking.
holes in the attic.
Yeah, there's holes. There's some holes. I don't know. We might fix those. We might not. Maybe it's just a feature of the house. But yeah, we're not doing big things like the stucco or the back stairs that lead to certain death currently, because there are no stairs.
That door just doesn't exist as of right now.
Yeah, and there's also a door underneath that door that's not in. So.
Will you stop?
But those
We're
are
focusing on the positive.
those are all the. That's pretty much it though. And
We can start
and the
moving
railing.
furniture in tonight. God, that's what
Yeah.
I wanted to get at. You're just spiraling.
Yeah.
So we're here at Bed Bath & Beyond. We need
What do we need?
sheets for our bed.
Yeah.
King size.
Yeah.
What else?
Shower curtain.
Shower curtain.
Shower rod.
Shower rod.
And I'm not going to do all the towel holders and all that stuff yet. I want to...
Put our towels on the floor.
Exactly. Yeah, I want to do that.
I didn't
You
even
can-
think about that stuff.
I have, but I want to match it with the stuff that's at Lowe's. So, and that's going to be after I do the blinds. So I'm going to... The next thing is Lowe's right after this.
Oh,
And
we have blinds. Did I show? I don't know. I don't know which
either way,
video this is.
We have two sets. Is it a set? We have 2 blinds.
Sets.
Yeah.
All right, let's
2 windows
go.
are done. And I might do another 3 today. At least 2. I still see you. You're in the frame right there. I still see you. No, I mean... Okay, maybe. Okay, well, bye.
Wait, here's a... No. What's a sham? Here's a king comforter set. Maddie, put me in the cart. Here you go. Here you go. Man, this aisle is nuts. Okay, I just wanted to close out the video here. I know I kind of left abruptly, but really all of our days are starting to run together. So many exciting things are happening. I cannot wait for you to see the next video and house update. So thank you for tuning in. If you did enjoy this video, please take a second, hit that thumbs up, and leave us a comment below. It really helps the channel out. If you are new, make sure to subscribe. We upload lifestyle, family, house updates, RV videos. We travel here and there. We've got a little one that is as cute as can be. We've got a dog that will be living with us once the house is done. So many things, and I'm just excited to bring you along for the journey. So thank you for tuning in again. All of our support links, discount codes, Teespring, everything is in the description box below. Hope you have a wonderful day. Hope you have fun out there, and we'll see you in the next video.
This is another episode of the Wonder Bill Show. The Wonder Bill Show.